Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. And today, without further ado, we are getting into my very first Margot Elena box. Yes, it is a $59.99 quarterly subscription box, and it's heavy as hell. And they did send me an email to tell me what was in it, but I didn't read it. I like surprises. And it says, she has arrived. So I feel like I have arrived now that I've got this box. And Margot Elena is a site that has some very nice high-end things on it. And I can't wait to see what I've gotten here. This was suggested to me several months ago as a box to try that I've not tried before. And it says all things nice. And it says all things nice. And it says share your favorite for a chance to be featured. Oh, and this tells us what's inside. And I will need my glasses for that. I'm just knocking stuff over. It's a lot of fun. And it says, the wait is over. Ooh, it smells good. Let's take a peek-a-loo. This looks amazing. Very fancy schmancy. We love the fancy schmancy here. We like a little high-end moment. There we go. Very nice. And the first thing from Tokyo Milk, let me find it. It is the new Radiant Gem Eau de Parfum. And it's $42. Let me get my calculator ready. This is it. Nope, that's not it. Ah, this is it. It says, let them eat cake. I'm not organized. Let me just start pulling things out instead of going by what the order that's in the card. This is the Tokyo Milk Rich Lotion Shea Butter Bonbon Let Them Eat Cake by Margot Elena. And this is it says sugarcane, coconut milk, vanilla orchid, white musk, number 11. And look at this packaging. It is beautiful. And this is crushed Tokyo Milk, crushed and distributed. This is a Bonbon Shea Butter Lotion. So this is a very tiny, beautiful lotion. All right. Trying to find that. Then next we have from the Cottage Greenhouse Sugar Beet and Blossom. It says beet is ruby rich in nature nourishers and phyto compounds found deep within its roots, helping hydrate to lock moisture. Your skin's feeling nurtured and velvety smooth. And this is a hand cream. Ooh, very cool. Very cool tin. Dwight Schrute. He raised beets and he was on The Office. Oh, it's sealed. I'm going to keep it sealed for right now because I have a lot of lotions. But it's a beautiful tin and it comes in a beautiful box. And this is $26. Very cool. Next up, we have all wrapped in paper. I love a Lux moment. And this is a shower gel, which I love showering. It makes me smell good. It says Library of Flowers Forget-Me-Not Shower Gel. And it says American Small Batch Perfumery by Margot Elena. And this is $23. It's sealed also, so I'm just going to leave it sealed for right now. I don't want to make a mess. But everything in here smells really good. Then we have this big baby. Oh, now this is what's smelling really good. This is wrapped up to perfection. Ooh, it's so sticky. It definitely wasn't going to go anywhere. And this is carrot and neroli whipped body butter. And I love a body butter. And this is $34. Oh, look at that. You can just tell how rich it is. Oh, it feels amazing. It's very soft and emollient. Oh, that smells like heaven. And all the packaging is like matching. It's all matching. I love that. All right, so we've got the body butter. Next up, I think this is what I was really excited about. I mean, I'm excited about all of it because it smells amazing. And I've heard wonderful things about Tokyo Milk and Margot Elena. And this is the Tokyo Milk. This is what it is. The Radiant Gem Eau de Parfum. And it's $42. It's lemon balm, amber, winter, Daphne, and musk. Right in my face. It smells delightful. I really like that. I'm digging this so much. And this is going to go with my perfume collection. This is 76. So look at that. Now the bottle, it's embossed. It's very cool. Oh, this is heavy. And this is another bottle of something delightful. Looks like a little bit came out in the shipping. And this is the Cottage Greenhouse Carrot and Neroli Body Rich Shower Oil and Body Wash. So I've got another body wash. I'm going to leave it in the packaging. And it goes with this. That is $23. Then we have from Tokyo Milk, and it's a little, it's a Finest Perfume soap, and it's got a rhino on it. It just smells super clean and lovely. It's got like a little tiny bit of glitter on that little bird on top of the rhino's horn. And this soap is $10. And then we have the trio. This is the trio of little hand creams. And they are $25.50. They're all just really super tiny little hand creams. They're very cute. And then last but not least, we have some beautiful note cards. Oh, look at that. Glitter. And this is awesome. It says, happy birthday to my favorite drama queen. And let's see. The cards are $16.50. So we're at an even $200 worth of products for $59.99. This is fantastic. So I got these great greeting cards, a trio of mini lotions, 2 body washes, a hand cream, a beautiful bar of soap, some body butter, and a perfume. This is fantastic. Will I get another box from them? Maybe. Their spring box is coming up to be purchased soon, but I don't regret getting this one single bit because it's some very beautiful luxe high-end items that I would not have been able to afford to get otherwise. But for this price, and I paid a while back, it's just a bargain. So I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here today. I've really enjoyed opening the Margot Elena box. And it has all the nice things. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.